Let's see how to create a navigation bar using HTML and CSS. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks! Alright, as you can see, I have a simple HTML setup here. This gives us the base to create our navigation bar. The most important thing is to have your HTML linked to your CSS, so make sure to add this line in your HTML. Now, let's move to the CSS. We'll start by writing H1. Inside, we'll type text-align :center, then we'll write navbar ul, and inside, list style type, none. Then, background color, and we choose a color. Next, padding 0 pixels, and margin 0 pixels. Now we'll style .navbar a, inside color white, then text decoration none, and padding 15 pixels or 20 pixels, depending on your preference. Then display colon block and text align :center. Now we'll add .navbar a hover. Inside, we'll set a background color and choose the color we want. As you can see, when we hover over the navigation bar links, they will highlight with the color we chose. Now, if we want the navigation bar to be horizontal instead of vertical, here's what we'll do. We'll add .navbar and inside, float left. As you can see, it still doesn't look quite right, so we'll fix that next. Click here and add overflow : hidden. Now the navigation bar is horizontal. Alright, we still need to configure a few things, so let's go back to the HTML. Here, we'll change the links to match our navigation topics. In my case, index.html, about.html, by.html, contact.html. Now, we'll duplicate the HTML file as many times as needed, in my case, 4 times, and we'll rename each file accordingly. And that's it. Everything should be properly configured now. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching.